What's up guys, in this video we are going to answer some exercises on finding the LCM of two or more numbers using the ladder method. So if you have watched our previous videos, we have already learned two methods. The first method is the listing method and the second method is the ladder method. And from the previous video we have shown that the ladder method is easier and more efficient. Okay, so let's have three examples in this video. Let's find the LCM of 16 and 24. So we just tried 16 and 24 and using the ladder method, draw an L-shaped figure. Okay, so we divide 16 and 24 by the smallest prime numbers. And just to review, prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by 1 and itself. So examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, what else? 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and so on. So 2 is a prime number because the only divisors of 2 are 1 and 2. 17 is a prime number because its only divisors are 1 and 17. On the other hand, 18 is not a prime number because the divisors of 18 is more than 2. So the number of divisors is more than 2. So the divisors of 18, for example, are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So it has many divisors, and prime numbers has only 2 divisors. Sorry, 9. This is 9, not 19. This is 9. I just hope I didn't miss anything. Okay, so yeah, I guess so. Alright, so we divide this by the smallest prime number, which is 2. This is 8. This is 12. And these two are still divisible by 2, the two numbers 8 and 12. So the only you will only stop when all the numbers left are prime numbers. So 8 and 12 are not prime, so we divide further by 2. This is 4, this is 6, and again these two numbers are divisible by 2, so we divide by 2 again. We have 2 and then we have 3. And then if all the numbers are already prime, you just multiply. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. This is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Times 3 is 48. So 48 is the LCM. 48 is the LCM of 16 and 24. Okay, what about 8 and 10? Letter B. So 8 and 10, just write 8 and 10, and then divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now notice that there is no common divisor except 1. So we just get rid of the prime numbers of the prime number, which is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now what happens if you cannot divide? 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So if the number is not divisible by the prime number, you just copy. So just copy 5 here. Okay, so they are all prime. Therefore, the LCM of 8 and 10 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, which is equal to 40, I think. So this is 4, this is 8 times 5, this is 40. Okay, the last example. The last example, we have 12, 6, and 20. 12, 6, and 20. They are divisible by 2. I think it's obvious. This is 6, this is 3, and this is 10. Again, they are still not prime, so we can divide both numbers, or three numbers, by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 2 cannot be, so just copy 3 here. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now they are all prime numbers. You can multiply them, but there's still 3 and 3 has still a common factor. So we do common divisor. So we just divide 3 and 3 and 5 by 3. So if you see there's still a common divisors among the numbers, you still divide by the common divisors. So 3 and 3 is 1 and 1, and then 5 cannot be divided by 3 evenly, so just copy 5. So the answer is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. That's the LCM of 12, 6, and 20. So that's 2 times 2 is 4 times 3, 12, times 5 is 16. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have learned something from this video. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.